One of the new features coming to Business Central in the 2023 Release Wave 2 is the introduction of Microsoft Copilot to the solution. This feature brings generative AI marketing text suggestions, and today we'll be walking through how this functionality works. So if we head to our items within Business Central, then you can add this new marketing stuff to any new item that you want to add, but for the video we're just going to use one of these examples. So if we select this chair in blue, we'll see the normal item card, but in this right hand column here we've got this marketing text box. So if we click Create with Copilot, then we'll get our first draft of the marketing text. So it uses information and attributes that are listed within the item card to write these. Then we can review it. So you can select whatever you want to, or you can change whatever you want. You can change a different, make it bold or underlined, all that sort of stuff. You can also change the format and length. So you can change this. So let's change it to paragraph for next time, so it won't have this tagline at the top here. We can also select which different attributes you want to include. So if we don't want to include the dimensions, for example, we can just deselect those, click close, and then when we create a new draft, you'll see that there's no mention of the dimensions within there, and it's come up with a completely different bit of marketing text for you. We can also select more settings, and then we can change the tone of voice, so we can change this to be casual, formal, inspiring, upbeat, or creative. And you can also emphasize qualities, which are listed here. So if we do innovation and we click new draft, it will take this into account and it will create a new marketing text snippet based on those inputs from you. And that's basically how it works on the web version. We're also going to show you how it works on the mobile version now too. For mobile users of Business Central, this functionality is also available. Here we are just walking through the process of how to generate the marketing text in the Business Central mobile app. It works exactly the same way as the web app, giving you the same options, but it just gives you an opportunity to utilize this AI Copilot functionality even when away from your desk. And that's it. That's how the feature works on both web and mobile applications. As this is the first Microsoft Copilot feature, we're expecting more to be introduced with Release Wave 1 2024, but we will have to wait and see until then. If you'd like to learn more about Business Central or want to see a demo of the solution in action, please leave a comment below or head to our website. Thank you for watching.